Sentient. Better than being there. Utilizing InDI software technology.
InDI solves the problem of access. Our customers have complex assets in remote and dangerous locations, and InDI brings those locations to their fingertips.
We've made an application that uses game technology, and it's very easy for someone who's familiar with the 3D application games. They can jump in, navigate around, and it's all intuitive.
Let's show you around.
InDI is an app which can be locally installed on a regular computer. We built a digital twin using our proprietary software named InDI. We were supplied with two items from our client: a Navisworks CAD file, which is an engineering drawing of the installation, and APIs to several data sources containing the properties of individual pieces of equipment. We have been developing pipelines and processes for several years that enable us to handle large complex 3D models and import them into Unity. Accessing information about individual components in complex systems used to be a frustrating, time-consuming task. By building a digital twin within the app, the user can search for a component or simply click on it to access all of the relevant information they require. The digital twin allows the user to access information in one place, providing a single source of truth. Real-time and historic data can be represented visually on components. See and navigate your assets physically or through our robust search system. View components in their environmental context and see how their condition may relate to other components in their area. Integrate training into your digital twin, providing a space to work as closely as they would in real life with real data in the real space. The digital twin gives the ability to be able to look at something when you are not there. Traveling to remote sites is dangerous and expensive. The changes of 2020 have forced us to look at new ways of working. A digital twin can transform the way we work with better research, access to data, training, and the ability to make better decisions.